to Octavia Beauty, and I am Octavia. On today's video, we are going to be doing my monthly favorites. I'm going to give you guys 5 items for my monthly favorites, but all from different categories. We're going to do a makeup product, a skincare product, a household cleaning product. We're going to also do a fragrance and a hair care product. So I'm very excited about this, you guys. I feel like this is going to be a different way of me doing my monthly favorites, since I do different content to keep you guys updated on the products that I am loving and enjoying. So you guys, let me stop babbling and let's get into some monthly favorites. Okay, you guys, so my first monthly favorite product is going to be a skincare product. This is the Superberry. This is the Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. Now this is a mask that you put on after you've done all of your other skincare, and you put this on at night, overnight, and you leave it on, and then you wash it off in the morning. If you want your baby, if you want your skin to feel like a baby's bottom, you need to get this. Now you can purchase a full size of this mask for $48 from Sephora, or this mini one, which is the one that I purchased, that has about 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters, for $15 from Sephora. Now you guys, I bought a mini of this just to try out, but however, I have a lot of skincare I gotta go through, but I do plan on repurchasing this product. This product is supposed to be an overnight mask that thoroughly hydrates, plumps, and brightens with THD absorbent vitamin C, antioxidant rich super berries, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. It's for skin types normal, dry, and combination. It's going to help you with your dryness, your dullness, your uneven skin texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. So you guys, when I do my skincare at night, I put everything on, and then after that, eye cream, everything is on. This is the last product that I put on. I usually use it as my moisturizer. So when I wear this to bed, I don't put a moisturizer up under it, and I let it sit, and I wake up in the morning and I wash it off, and my face feels smooth, soft, supple, glowy, and I love it. And I love this product, and I know you guys are going to love this product. I've been loving this product since I purchased it, but I do look, I've got a look, you can't see, I got a little dent in there, but I've been very much enjoying this product ever since I purchased it, and it is a great product. Get you a mini size so you can try it out to see if you like it, because you know, but we don't waste no coin. We don't want to waste our coins. We don't want to have to trash it, okay? So my next product, monthly favorite product, is going to be my makeup products, and my makeup product is going to be the Patrick Star one size ultimate blurring powder. I don't know if, have you guys tried this? Because honestly, it's a translucent powder. You can purchase a full size, $30 from Sephora, or a mini like I have for $16. It comes in 3 shades, I think. No, yeah, dark, no, 2 shades, dark, deep, and translucent. And so it comes in 2 shades. I typically like a translucent shade under my eyes, and you know, the only translucent powder that I have thoroughly enjoyed is the Laura Mercier. And this Patrick Star powder, it reminds me so much of the Laura Mercier powder. Like, it doesn't, when it comes out, it looks a little bit more chalky, it looks a bit more chunky, but when it goes on under your eyes, so smooth and so soft, and it just, you know, gives me that Laura Mercier feeling. I haven't received any flashback from this powder. I have thoroughly enjoyed this powder. I think Patrick Star did a really great job, because I have a lot of powders, full size powders, in my makeup drawer, and I'm sure we all do, that we don't use and that we don't enjoy, or we just don't reach for them. But this Patrick Star powder is definitely a reach. I'm gonna put it right up there with the Laura Mercier, but you know, I love it. You know, I feel like it's a good option. If this was, I don't know if this costs less than the Laura Mercier, I should, but I don't. But however, if this costs less than the Laura Mercier, you should definitely reach for the Petric Star 1-star powder. I think you won't be disappointed with this powder if you have not tried it, or if you are in the market for a new powder and you was like, you just want to try something different, or yours is running out and you need another one. Baby, go get you some Petric Star, because Petric Star is coming with this powder. You got to try it. Okay, so as for my hair care products, I recently did a video on this brand. You guys should have already watched it. If you have not watched that video, baby, you are missing out, because baby, bread is the new it for the hair care. If you don't have no bread in your hair care routine, then you is sleeping. Get you some bread, baby. When I tell you the bread was the bomb, watch the video. But more specifically, I can only pick one product, so I chose the bread hair wash gentle milky hair cleaner. Now this cleanser has a lot of good things in it. I went over all the stuff that is for in my review video, so you guys are gonna have to go watch that video if you guys want to know all of my thoughts on the entire line. I use the shampoo, the mask, the oil. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on all of that, you're gonna have to watch it. But however, the bread is like my favorite shampoo right now. Like, I am loving this right here is worth it. You can get the entire kit. I think it's full size for $58. I think they recently came out with a mini size kit on Sephora. So if you haven't thought about bread, or you've been looking at it wondering, should I get bread? And baby, yes you should. Yes, you should get you some bread, because bread beauty is better than sliced bread. Okay, you guys, one of my ultimate favorite products, and I'm gonna tell you why. I love to clean. I clean my home. I love to film myself cleaning, but sometimes it gets a little more difficult to film cleaning, because you're moving all the way around. You got to get the angles, you got to move the camera, you got to get, you know, if you've got lights going, you know, it can be difficult as a one-person band that I am. I film, I edit, I do it all myself. So as a one-person band, it could be difficult to film those cleaning videos in different areas, but I do enjoy, so I do try to do some, and the lighting is not always great, so bear with me on those. But one of my ultimate favorite products is this Scrub Daddy Soap Daddy. So if you guys haven't heard of Scrub Daddy, you have been living on a rock, because Scrub Daddy was on Shark Tank, and they've become this multi-million-dollar or billion-dollar company, and they're putting out all of these great products. Now, Scrub Daddy are known for their sponges. I think this is the Scrub Mummy. This one is brand new. I just want to show you their sponges. For this smile right here, you clean your spoons with. I love their sponges. I typically use a sponge over a washcloth. This is also a Scrub Mummy. We use these. It doesn't matter. We use them. Okay, so I typically use a sponge over a washcloth, because when the sponge get dirty or it starts smelling funky, or you know, we just throw the sponge in the dishwasher. So that's why I tell my kids, I tell my husband, if you wash a load of dishes in a dishwasher, just throw the sponge in the dishwasher. And if you feel like the sponge isn't working like it used to, is not as good as it used to be, then you toss it and you just get you another sponge. And with the Scrub Daddy sponges, this material right here, it gets hard with cold water and soft with hot water. So if you want it to be soft and to help you get those things clean, and I love it, and I love these sponges. But you know, these sponges are a favorite too, but I can only choose one product. So the product I chose was the Soap Daddy. Now the Soap Daddy you can buy on Scrub Daddy websites for $12.99. They are currently sold out, but however, get on the email list, because when I first went to purchase mine, they were sold out. I got an email list. They emailed me when it came in stock, and I was able to get my purchase. Now, what's so good about the Soap Daddy? Okay, so you open it up and you put your dish detergent in here, and then you can squeeze it, and soap will come out at the bottom. And then, or you can take your sponge or your washcloth or your dishcloth, whatever you use, and you can just dab the top of it. When you push this down and dab the top of it, soap comes out of here and on here, and you have enough soap to do your dishes. I love this because it's convenient, it's cute. You can put it on your counter. It makes everything just look a little flawless, a little better. It just looks so cute up there. And I love the functionality of it. How if you need more, you can squeeze it out the bottom. If you just need a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way when you're using sponges. And then our dish detergent has been lasting longer since I got this, because we have this thing in the house now that if you mess up your plate, you got to clean your plate. Whatever you eat with, you just go ahead and wash it when you're done with it. So the kids grab their sponge, they get them a little dab, they clean whatever they got, they dry it, and they put it up. So instead of, you know, just taking a squeeze bottle of a traditional thing, you got to squeeze it out. You may get too much, but with this, it gives you a perfect amount. You're not wasting product. Your dish detergent is lasting longer. This is very cute, very pretty to store. It has two functions. People come to your home, it's going to be a conversation piece. They may ask you what it is, where you got it from, and I love it. And I don't know how I live life without this product. If you do not have you a soap daddy, get you a soap daddy. Go try you some sponge daddies. I think you can get these sponge daddies individuals for $3.99. However, I did get a box of them. I forget how much it was. But go get you some soap. Try out Scrub Daddy, Soap Daddy, and there's, I think this is a scrub. I think these are scrub mamas. I don't know. But go try it. Go try it. Because the one thing we all have in common, we have to clean our house. The one thing everybody have in common, you have to clean your house. So we need cleaning products, and we need good products that's going to work. And I'm going to stand on that you're going to like those products. Now, I think my last but not least product is my fragrance. And I have here Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. And I love this beautiful packaging. I love the way it looks and the functionality of it. So I think when it smells so good. It smells, to me, I think this is a perfect fragrance for springtime. Now, I don't have those little fancy little papers that you spray on, so I'm gonna spray on a Post-it, baby. If we make it work with what we got, we're gonna use a Post-it. Look at that. I like the spray on. I think it has a very good spray. It's a very good springtime scent. I smell a lot of floral. It smells very flowery. Some musk. Very soft, delicate scent. I think this scent is perfect for, I want some for springtime. Oh. Okay, so you can purchase this fragrance I purchased this fragrance on a cruise, so I got a little bit of a discount. But for a full size, you can purchase it for, I don't know what's the full size. A 3.4 ounce for $108. You can purchase a 1.7 ounce for $86. And I think this one that I have is, child, I don't know how many ounces this is. It's the 1.7 ounce. So, but I love the packaging on it. The sprayer smells really, the sprayer sprays well. The scent is a very floral, very spring, very soft. Some musk, and I think it's got some, I don't know, cashmere and some more things in it. So you guys, I will be posting the notes of this fragrance in here, but I just think this fragrance is like the, oh man, it's the perfect springtime fragrance. So if you guys are looking for a new fragrance to try, you could try the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. It's one of my favorite scents, and I absolutely adore it. So I think we did everything. We did skincare, we did hair care, we did makeup, we did cleaning, and we did our fragrance. So you guys, that is going to complete our monthly favorites. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much that you come back for some more. Now, if you guys would like for me to include more makeup or more skincare or more household or more whatever in my monthly favorites, comment down below. Let me know. I want you guys to let me know what products you are enjoying. If you have a good cleaning product, let me know. If you are enjoying a makeup product that you bought that surprised you, you didn't know you was gonna like it, but now you like it, let me know. What is your favorite products for the month of April down below in my comments. Make sure you guys give me a like, and hit the subscribe button. And I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Bye.